What's up, guy? Here's a little showdown of all the modification I did to my Senton 3S. I've got it for about 9 months now, and I race all winter with it at the short indoor track that we have here in Trois. I'm just gonna show you what I actually upgrade on the car. For this setup, I had to cut the body so it fit. It doesn't touch when I jump in it. I don't know if you can see, but there's a bunch of crack all around, so I just put shoe glue everywhere. It look pretty nice. I really love this pattern. The actual modification on the Senton. So as you can see, I've got a big bore shock. It's about $60 Canadian, so like 10 bucks US. Joking. The original one, they always broke at the same spot. They just bounce. Every time you get a big jump, you get a bounce, a rebounce. It's not good at all. So I just put those and the handle jump like nobody's business. I hit a half pipe full speed the other day, and it landed like a charm, no problem. I'm probably gonna have way more handling in the air. Tire are actually soft. I'm gonna be able to press the throttle and do some backflip, front flip. And other modification I did beside the big bore shock and the granite tire is this bumper. Actually ordered the bumper for the old Senton SC, so it wasn't a straight fit, so I had to improvise. But it's a must. The original bumper, I broke it 4 times. I was tired to always buy the same piece, so I went and upgraded. I broke the chassis as well. I've got another one. I broke this once, but Arrma customer service are pretty nice, so they replaced it, and I didn't have to give back my other one. So yeah, this is the modification I did on my Senton. I just received the wheel like yesterday, and I really wanted to go this morning, but unfortunately, as you can see, it's raining. So sad. So sad. Maybe later today, if it's stop raining somehow, I'm gonna go try that beast for sure. I'll keep you up to date. See ya, guys.